Hello my people, good morning once again. We thank God for bringing us this far. It's been a while for now and we are back. We are in a new month, the month of December, and I pray for favor and blessings upon your life. I pray that I see you in 2022. Thank you very much. If you are new here, you subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell so that you get notification anytime I upload a new video. And also thank you for your support, for everything that you are doing for me, your sharing, your comment and everything. Thank you very much. Today we are going to learn how to design this 9 lessons and Carol's Night flyer. So without much time ado, let's get started. Now the size of this flyer will be A4. So you, as usual, you simply go to the file here, then go to new, then you come to print. It's at recent because I've been using the A4 and the recent papers that I use is here. But if you don't have it at your recent page, you go to print here, then you see A4, this A4 here, then you double click on it, or you click once and click on create. So I'll double click on it, then it will open like this for me. We are going to learn how to design a Carol's Night banner. So I have all my documents here. My document is ready here. Very good. So first of all, I'll bring in my background. All these files will be another description below. So anything I will use here, including the font, I will put it under the description below. Then you download, you get access to everything. Okay, so now I'll first bring in my background here. So I will drag, let me minimize this. I will drag and drop into my Photoshop here. Very good. You see, this background is in landscape, so I'll rotate it so that it can fit perfectly into the document. So as I bring the cursor here, you see that the cursor has turned to an arc. Very good. You see, yes. Then for a perfect rotation, you press on the shift on the keyboard, then you rotate, you click and you rotate. Now we want 90 degrees. Very good. Now it has rotated in a 90 degrees clockwise. Very good. Then I will want to fill the document, the background with the document here. So I'll click here, then I'll expand it, so it covers all the parts. Very good. Nice one. So now my background is ready here. So I want to lock this background here. So I'll come to my layers panel here. I'll click here, lock, so that it cannot be moved again. So anytime I want to move it, I'll just click here, unlock it, then it is movable. Very good. So I just I want this background to be darker small, so I used rectangle tool here, then I draw a rectangle shape on it to cover it, just as you see on the screen here. So then here you change the color, make sure that the stroke is no fill, then you change the fill to I think black. Very good. Now so then you come to the layer tab here, or layer panel here, then you go to opacity, you reduce the transparency of this shape. Very good. I think this is okay. This is okay. Very good. So this one too, you will lock it, or you can create a folder. Sometimes you can create a folder here, then you will name it name it background. Then you just then you lock it, you lock both all of them. Very good. Now our background is ready here. So we've not finished everything for the background here. I have a Christmas tree that leaves that I want to bring it. So I'll come here, just have it here. I downloaded everything from Google. So if you type Christmas, then make sure you type in PNG after Christmas tree, or you see a lot of sample pictures there. Very good. Then I'll drag and drop into my Photoshop here. Very good. Now because I drag and drop directly into Photoshop, this file is in Smart Object. So I'll right click on, you see this icon here, I'll right click on this layer here, then I'll rasterize it. Yes, you click on rasterize layer. So it is now good for for the picture to be editable. So we are going to remove this background, this thing from there. Very good. So I'll come to my toolbar here. I'll use my magic wand eraser tool here. I'll click on it, then I'll click on this white background there, then everything is gone. Very good. You see there are some of the white here, but I think it's okay. It even help to differentiate between the background and the Christmas leaf. So I'll bring it here. Very good. Then I will increase it a bit. Nice one. Let me take it to the top. I think this is okay. Very good. Now I can add this one to my background tool here. Very good. It's also locked because the background folder is already locked. Very good. So now I'll go in and bring my logo here. Yes, that's the AG logo. I'll drag and drop inside here. Very good. Now I'll reduce the size small. Now bring it here. Then this place is okay. Let me expand it small. Very good. I think this one is okay. So yes, now let me bring my Santa Claus hat here. Then it's Christmas time, so you have to rasterize it. It's in Smart Object. So you right click on it, then you go to rasterize. Then as we did to the first one, go to magic eraser tool here. Then we click on the background, and you see this this has affected the main subject, so this doesn't work. So I'll go back and choose I'll go to select here, and I'll choose select subject. It will select the subject for me to do a very nice work. Have you seen? Very nice work. Then I'll go to copy. Nice one. Now I have a copy of the hat here, so let me delete this one. Very good. Then you reduce it very small. We want to put it on the logo here, AG logo. It's Christmas time, so I'll bring it here. Then you rotate it small. Very good. okay. I think this is okay. This is okay. Then I'll press OK here. Very good, nice one. Then you come to your type Assemblies of God, Ghana, and abundant life. Assembly, then Bushen, that's my church. Bushen Adumani. Very good, very good. So let me reduce the size of the font. Nice one. Then I'll come to my character. If you don't see your character, you go to Windows, then you check on character, it will come to this part. So then I'll go to paragraph here, then I'll click on center aligned, then it will center align very nicely. So let me change, I want to change the font. Let me change the font to this. I have all the fonts under the description, under the project file, so you get everything there. Nice one. So I think this is okay. Very good. Okay, let me reduce it small. Nice. It's okay. Very good. Now then we come to type presents. I think presents E here. I'll bring it here. I'll change the font to think this font is okay. This font, yeah, this font is okay. Then I'll change the color to yellow. I can use my color picker to pick the yellow from here. Then I think this yellow is okay for me. Nice one. Presents. Then we come to our Carols night. So for the Carols night, I use a 3D mockup. And I'm going to show you how to use this 3D. All of them is under the description below. I'm going to teach you how to use that 3D mockup. So I'll come here. I have my 3D here. So this is the main mockup. So you drag and drop into Photoshop here. You create a new tab for it. So this is how this it will load. As soon as it's load, this is how it is. Very good. So now you come to the tab at the layer tab here, and you see click here to change your name. So all that you need to do is to double click on this one here. Very good. Then you select, it will open another tab for you. You select the text here, then you type what you want to type. So I'll type Carol. Carols, yes. So I have my Carols. Then I change the font to think I use this font. Yes, So I change the font to this font here, then I will save. Ctrl S, then I'll save. So as soon as you save it, it will come to your main 3D project here. So I've seen chaos there, but now I don't need all of this background. Very good. So I will disable this. Is the 3D, the green label here. So I will disable the background here, then I will disable the text here, then I will disable the lights here. Then you can see that there is a shadow under it here. So I'll just expand this 3D here, then I will disable the shadow here. Very good, nice one. So I'm done. So now I don't want to copy this one into my project. So what I will do is that I will save this one as a PNG file. So I go to file, then save as, then I will save it as PNG file, PNG. There will be no background. Then I will save it at desktop here. I'll save it. Very good. Okay. So as soon as you save it, then you come to your desktop here. You see it here, Caros. Then after that you copy, then bring it into your main project here. Very good, nice one. You see, then you click on OK. I click on OK here. So you can do same to this one. So for the night, you come here, then you simply change night, then you save. As soon as you save, it will come to your main project here. To come here. Nice. So you save this one too as a PNG file here. This time make sure you rename it. So maybe I've added one that will make it a PNG to the desktop here. Yes, then I'll save it. Okay, so I'm done with this one, so I can delete all of them here. So now the 9th is also here. I'll bring it down here. Very good. Then I'll reduce it. This is small. Then I'll bring it here. Very good. I can select all of them here and reduce it a bit. Nice one. So then it left with the 9 lessons end. So my text to here 9 lessons and use the end percent. So I'll change the color to color white here, color white here. I'll do this small, then make sure I bring it here. You can, let me zoom it for you to see it well. Yes, then I'll reduce it nicely. Okay, nice one. So now you see I have this this Christmas ball here around this place. So I have the project, I have the picture here. I think, where is it? This one too, I downloaded from the internet here. So I'll drag and drop into, I'll give it an, I'll make it a different tab here. Then I will use my magic eraser tool here. Then I'll click. Very good. So I need only this one, so I'll just use my lasso tool. Then I'll carefully select this object here. Very good. I'll right click and layer via cut. I'll drag and drop into my project here. Very good. Into my project here. Then let me expand it to make it bigger. Nice one here. So I'll bring it here. Very good. You can see there is some white this thing in the black, in the red, so I'll remove it. Okay, I think it's okay. So now make sure that this object is under the carousel line. So where is it? So I'll just select, I come to the layer style, I'll just select and bring it under beneath the carousel line. Very good. So let me bring it down small. Yes, I think this one is okay. Okay, nice one. So let me come to the theme for this year's Carol's Night. Said to the theme is the king is born. Very good. Nice one. So let me change the font to use this font here. Yes. Okay, then let me reduce the tracking here. And I'll change the color of the theme. Make sure that you select the theme, then you change the color to, I think, yellow, and just color picker here. Very good. Then you bring the bone down. Very good. So that you reduce it. You bring it, you place it nicely here. Yes. Okay, now we will be done very soon. So now let us bring our Christmas tree here. We have a Christmas tree here, so I'll drag and drop into my Photoshop. This one is already, I downloaded already in a PNG file, so there is no background. So I will reduce it small, bring my Christmas tree here. Yes, press on OK. Let me increase it small. So let's move on. So that 9th, it will be a 9th of drama, music, then the word of God. Okay, so nice one. This is small. Let me change the font to, I don't want the bold one. Let me give a space from here. Okay, so a 9th of drama, music, and the word of God. So yes, now we are left with the time and the date. So I'll select my rectangle tool here. I'll drag and drop. Nice one. Okay. Okay. So I'll come to my effects here. Make sure that the rectangle tool is selected. Effects here, go to part, not pattern overlay. Go to color, a gradient overlay here. Yes, I already have it, but if you don't have it, let me restore it to any. So now I'll just double click. I'll just click on this place here, the color, the gradient here. Then I'll double click on this first color, and I choose red. I use this one. I select the color picker from here, red. Then the next one too, I choose I think deep red or something like that. Yes. Then I'll click OK. Then if your style is at linear, you can choose whatever that you want, but for me I used radar. Very good. Then you click OK. Nice one. So after that, you just select your Sunday to be. It will be Sunday. Very good. Sunday. Bring your Sunday here. Change the color. Change the color to color yellow. Can use this color picker here. Yes. Then I'll type 25th. The date will be 25th. Yes. 25th. Then the 25th. Let me use this one. Yes. Then I'll double click on the TH here. I'll reduce the Okay, then I'll change the color to white. Bring it to 25th. So I use this same font I'll copy and paste here by pressing on the Alt, then you drag and drop. I'll change the December. Okay, change the color to white. December 2021. Very good. I make sure that I make sure that I make it bigger. Very good. So the time will be 7 p.m. 7 p.m. here. PM at the church or the auditorium at Adumenu. Okay. The menu here, reduce the size small. Then the interval small too. Okay, nice one. Then the one last thing, the info, I will copy and drop. For info contacts, that's my number 0246 927182. You can contact me for your info, for any information. You can see there is a yellow bar under it here. So this first one, I'll change the color to yellow here. I have yellow already here. Then I'll copy and drag this one to here. So let's leverage our lens flare. Very good. I nearly forgot. Yes. So I'll bring this one to these two inside here. Very good. This is a lens flare and it's having a black background. So we come to the blending mode. We change it to screen here. The black background will go. Then I think I placed one here. I can reduce this size more. This is okay. The size small. Then I'll drag and drop one also here. Then this one too, I will come to my blending mode to screen here. Then I'll place this one here. Very good. So guys, this is how you can design as you see on the screen, Carol's night flyer. Thank you very much. Bye.